Okay, so foodies, I've taken the meatballs out and I've set them over here because what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come over here to my pasta pot where I've made today. You can make whatever kind of pasta you want. Today I made some of these lasagna sheets, which you can use whatever you like, and I cracked them all up so they're all like this, and then I made sure they're cooked really well. You got to make sure they're cooked really, really well before you put them into your sauce mixture here, right? Okay, so we're gonna get it in here, and if it has some pasta water, it's okay. And we're gonna just get that there. Let's take a look and see how we can move this out of here. I do have some more, but we're gonna kind of mix this up a little like this. All right, and there we go. We've got our pasta in, and this is going to be just absolutely delicious. And we're going to put our meatballs right back on top, just like that, just like this. We'll put them right on top, and then we're going to go off to the table. Okay, so we'll see you at the table, and that's a simple meal with vegetable, pasta, meat, everything there. All done with a can of cream of mushroom soup. Okay, so this is Peter Carpizzos. We'll see you again. Out!